Yeah, she's eating a few.
She's licking it up.
There you go. Hold that back. There we
Look at her legs sliding. You get that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, her little knee.
Oh, hungry puppy.
It's a
You can't stand still. Oh, you poor little boy.
Pepe, do you remember how long it said to take the puppy out after eating?
Just until I went to the bathroom, I
To
think.
go to the bathroom, right? I mean, how long?
I can't remember. I'm trying to think. 2 or 3 minutes?
Why don't you go grab the iPad out of that car? It's in the
Wait,
glove
what
box.
page is it though?
I'm not sure. I'll have to look. Looks really healthy. Looks good.
Oh, yeah. She feels healthy. Except her little feet can't get ripped.